One minute, I saw me go on. Me clock saw me a van. Move! 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 1 minute, I saw me go on. Say something, man. Yo.
Hold on, the African one says so. We have a winner.
Right now, we're there at Brianna'S here, the BETV, and we have some artists in the place. They're going to introduce themselves. Alfie, where you go? Alfie? All right, no worry. We'll do the interview with the artists them in the place. Them just plus them drop a new rhythm and a new song. So just hold it. First, Pruda. Pruda. I got to tell them about your thing, how your thing start out. Your website where them can reach you and listen to your music. And, you know, get familiar with the artist, you know?
All right, no joke. You don't know a PARTY.DANCE, an upcoming artist. You don't know. You can reach me out on all the platforms, them Spotify, YouTube, iTunes. You don't know. You can check out my IG. You see me, PARTY.DANCE_music. You see me? Twitter, PARTY.DANCE_music. The same thing, you see me? No joke, man. Right now we have a singer out on them right now, Chop Like We. You see me? We are going good on the platform. No joke about that. You see, pray fully, man.
So, Pure, you want to tell them a number or you want just leave it to the website thing and, you know, because the people them can't reach you, them like, you know, say, them want to reach artists, them just, yo, Pure, me need you for that dance, or me need you, yes, sir. Me fly you out or fly you in, whichever, you know?
Yeah, man, you don't know them can reach me up on all our platforms. Once you check my Instagram, you can reach out to me from this, you see me? PureDan26@gmail.com. You just reach me out from this, you see me? All on my platform, you don't know a thing go. Fully. No joke. Yeah, man.
All right, respect. So we are bringing our next artist. We're in the building. Don't go nowhere still, you know. Come on, you give them a little one piece, even a quarter of the style, you know? So them get to know it, you know?
No joke, man.
I bring in the next artist. You know? What your name, I? Midnight, see? Midnight, you know? So man tall. Midnight, come on the side, that's the door.
Yeah. Come on the side, forward.
Yeah. So we are bringing our next artist, Pure Dan Brethren. Yeah, Midnight. I'm going to tell you about Theme Thing and how Theme Thing I run and when can contact him. And you know, I give you a little style to two of them. I give you some little style how the thing I run, you know?
Yeah, man. So you hear the voice, you know, Midnight, you see me? No joke. Upcoming artist, you hear that? Located in the Bronx right now, you see me? No joke. I want to go check out the Vivo, you hear that? Midnight Vivo, you see me? No joke. Right, there's a melody. Let's go run it up. No joke. Grimy side, you see me? 8 block. We don't take shot. In a face of fire shot.
Pure Dan.
No joke.
Don't go now. Give them a little style. Give them like a piece site and make them know them and look forward to.
Every day the line get chop up. As me wake up, more car walk, chop. Mula panic cash up. Just get catch you all right and get used to it. You hear that? No joke.
All right, Pure Dan, I will give a theme like a piece.
No joke. Them not chop like we, make money like me own the factory. Stocks pan stocks are just that me a pre. Bank account.
Enough of that. Don't give him the rest. See it there? BETV. I bring in one more artist.
Man, an artist.
Artist?
I'm here on the show.
This is the road manager.
No, not even manager. Dance, my dance.
Aye, dancer, yeah?
Understand? I'm first
Tell
class,
me
my
the
name. I want a TV station on here.
BETV.
BETV. Watch and look, you know. Hot! Hot, yet. One more again. BETV again. And the fresh boss tune in. Straight out of Jamaica. You know, Punish Town badness, all have a badness. Straight. Kingston badness. One badness. New York badness. You know. But I'm going to give you a little piece.
Catch a dance, people. Catch a dance. Hey. Oh. Hey. All right. No, you can't give them too much, you know, because they have some teeth around our place, huh? People want teeth, thing, all right? BETV. Give them the cash up, yeah.
You want the cash up? And the brand new one. Say it, cash. Western Union. You see it? Cash up. Cash. Western Union. Cash. Western Union. Cash. Western Union. That me I talk about. Fully. BTV. Hot. Big up to the people in the place. Lava check in. I want to tell us that the African check in. Big up to my family, I'm check in. Big up to the people, I'm check in. Hot. 1-8 black. See the BTV.
Respect. Right. So we here at Brianna party. We are going inside. You know, but wait. I hold this in our building.
Fully outside.
You see this?
Fully
You see that?
outside.
Anytime you want a booking, you just link the youth here. Cinemax, DJ Wave.
We don't do fish fry though.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yo, listen, we do everything.
No fish fry. No, I'm just kidding. Seafood, you know it got.
Tell them your thing.
You know it got DJ Wave with 2E. Instagram, you know it got us DJ Wave with 2E. EE. DJ Wave. You know it got.
Give them a number.
718-810-9582. You know it got.
You know here, alright. Come. Inside we gone. Oh.
Right true, out here without fear, dog. Dog, me and a year, me coulda never take stylings. Last boy hype up, a 9 ball, me see we have used and pile him. Dog, right true. Flawless, you know, out here without fear, right true.
BETV. Where's say 2 shot? Yo, you give them your Instagram, you give them the information. What them need to reach you.
Yeah man, the gram, flawless _ SMMG. You hear me say? Flawless music _ SMMG. Make sure you go look for that. I'm up on YouTube, I'm gonna look for your new tune. Flawless, vent. You hear that? Out there without fear.
Respect. BETV. Like we said with that Brianna too blessed dance, and the dance I go on alright. You know? So that's how I go. The dance I go come back in and say a little thing, and then we are go inside, go watch a woman them.
BTV. I don't want the artist thing. In New York. People, follow it, tap it, dial it. You know, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know, BTV. Hot yet. One more again, BTV. I'm fresh boss, I'm out.
Respect. Inside we gone.
You know, DJ Wave represent for BTV. You know them can't see we.
Uptown Bronx, Queens, Brooklyn, Oneness. On the grimy side, you hear that? Spanish Town badness.
No joke, 1BTV. You don't know a Porodan. I represent for 1BTV. Outside, New York with them from straight to Jamaica. Outside, fully.
Respect me, Dan. Respect. Yeah, BETV. Inside the Queen of the Sea with her. Alright, otherwise known as Club Dubai. The one and only, Mikey Busted. Tell them something, Mikey.
Yeah, BTV, you don't know DJ Mikey Team Sheldon, we're outside, yeah, Bray, yeah, 8 black, you hear the vibes already. But we are going up in the morning.
You hear it for yourself, people. From the one and only, Busted. I feel the birthday girl real quick. I am the host, driver, for BETV. Right now, we're there with Brianna'S, our birthday party. People say how lovely she look. Brianna, tell them how I go on with the party now.
Alright, the party's lit. And I really don't know what to say. What should I say? What should I say?
You have to tell them about the party. People, it gets switch up, right? It gets switch up. But no worry, the people them still come out to support Brianna, and we're at Club Dubai, 12615 Merck Boulevard. Alright? So no come out, no matter, no watch the time. Cause y'all get what time? 3 o'clock? 3:15? Yo, and every people them full of the place so I get till 4 o'clock. Alright, so happy birthday, Brianna. See how she love? Yo, you see how she look lovely? Look on her little dress. See how the dress lovely? And look on the two of them. Two of them nice. You see? Brianna too sweet. Birthday party. Big up yourself, Brianna, for your birthday, yeah?
No. You can't keep big party around the bar. No, man, oh, read that one. She can't be on the most wine. No, man, come on, tell someone. I BETV. No shy thing. When you feel like take a champagne back and sip on in a bus and look a cute wine to your ass like, come again, me. Come on. Expensive outfit, come down. The pussy tighty, pussy tighty. Take your time, put it on me, darling. Come sit down, come sit down, come sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. But the girl never can follow instructions. Every girl just follow instructions right now. Show that sneeze and do that. Everybody just want us out. Everybody just want us out. from Strong Island. Big up everybody who come from Buckler, Brooklyn. But when we talk about Brooklyn, we are talking about some real bad Buckler place like them here. Some real bad place like them here. Let me know more.
Big up yourself for your party. Hot! Mama, come on. Show them a suit. Show them a suit. Oh, you look so cute. I swear. Show your suit. Fashion. Show me the fashion tag.
I have to bring back the clothes where you have a money. I wear a bumper clock clothes. And your shoes not burn your blood clot. Rich African friends say anybody who can defeat Alfie in any dance battle, then get $100 right now. How much? 200. Anything, fight it. Fight it. Ready? Fight it. See that. That's it. See that. Roll out the man. See that. Stop. See that. There go. African say, ready? African, where you want to see him Sunday? Eh? No. They are going down there. African, you ready? African. Press pass. Press pass. Press pass. Everybody, get around now. Alfie Madonna. Bamba clap. Alfie. Bamba clap. Take it on it. Fresh pass.
Alfred, family.
Yeah, man, family for life.
Family. Family. I swear. Big up to everybody who turn out. Big up to everybody who turn out for the birthday girl. It hot, party shot. Team.
That them on again.
You are got to stop doing what you are doing.
Fresh. Over the one that will come out. I'm on it. Put on some. Please. No time.
1 year.
Yeah, dancing. Where's the street dancing?
Yeah, good to go. I've seen young dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this.
That's a street dancing. I think you're making a dance.
Alright, flip up and look at me reverse. Put that dancing to a hurricane. Let's get the rock. Let it go. One the river, one the bar. People that should make us the water. One the river, one the bar. Now we got up. You cheap pretty and you feel it.
know it's a long time you have no clock dance. Long time you have no clock dance. Make some boy know this. The female superman.
One minute, I start some me go on. Me clock some me a van. Move! 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 1 minute, I start some me go on.
Tell him to stop while you're pushing. Bring it up.
Say something, man.
Go to the... Hold on, the African one says so. We have a winner.
I swear, 1 minute, I start some me go on. I swear. Yo!
Right about now, BETV, them have a dancing contest and them don't know who wins. So, why it's hard. Them must say, if him win, you know, me don't know if him win. People, what you think? People, what you think? Him win? Him win? Or him lose? What do you think, people? The man them say him hype up himself. Alright, see next contestant here. Tell the people if him win. Because they must say boy, him win, and they must say him win. And the man say they must wild up himself. So I don't know. So you look for yourself. Music.
Artist time. Dog, isn't it? No, way back. Every day the line get a pump, all of my friends, them are good man. You chat me like us, but I'm fuck y'all. Paint down on my face in some city.
You then approach with caution. Spanish don't badness one that. None of them can fuck with England. They think you can play back on the slang. Clarence down with no friend gun back. Guns out and we push that back. And I go to put in a fuck down ground. While I leave my fuck back cheese pollution. Matic and felon in a fling life gun. Fuck out the girl and tell her to cut. You know?
Don't talk, you know, hold on. You know, chop like we, make money like we own the factory. Stop, stop, just stop me a breathe. Back I go wavy and the wetty. Yeah, let's not chop like we, make money like we own the factory. Stop, just stop me a breathe. Back I go wavy and the wetty. You think of that? I'm a top off, speed up and the guard goes. Start relax, so y'all blow up your sky temperature. Next one, this up, I call the cash, them I talk about chops out, give them the laughs. I'm more on a business and no pay no tax. No boy can't violate and them know that. I want this, but this will take no charge, take no charge. Then I chop like we, make money like we own the factory. Stop man, stop, just stop me a breathe. Back up on weighty and the wetty. Yeah.
Big up everybody in the work for them buckler things, you know what oh, here we don't fear. Right here, ready, my brother? Be my son, listen. Hey, you said be a party, you got a bloody pattern. This is some weird song. I said, Lord, for the fashion, if we never have it. I'm going to come from over Japan. I'm going to get the chance to ever touch it from my button. No, we work hard for me, things are for me. So now go ahead and say that, give me. You know what I'm saying? Early my party, this is great trouble. Listen to me, hey. Dark me in the ear, me could have never take stylings. That's why I pop and I ball this way of use and piling. Tell them, well, teach man this me no take styling. Come back, lad.
Again, bro. One more time. One more time. Come back. Alright, one more time. Watch out. Big up on the side. They know it's time. Back. Yeah, that. You go yourself sex today. Are you a bad freak? When you suck my dick, you know you speak. Got my balls, get me weak. When I fuck you every day, every week. I'm like your boy stand, you say you're a bad freak. Your skin put white teeth, skin smooth, pussy clean, underneath. She don't look like some girl, they have round teeth. I got to say that. Waves, uptown Bronx. God, behind this side. You got a big night of that. No, don't forget. We got the kings.
Yo, on the phone yourself, right? DJ Wave come mash up the thing, as usual.
Fully active, you know? Find me on Instagram, DJ Wave with 2E. You know, Cinemax on represent, you know there?
Yeah. All right. And DJ Wave supposed to bring the dirt bike come, but I don't know where I go on yet. All right.
You're right, I'm going to take it off.
Yeah, man. Out there without fear, though. Yeah, man. I miss out there without fear, some boy TV style. Them no thing already, though. Wicked and wild. Right, show.
BETV, yeah. We'll wrap it up. Come. Forward. Yes, so BETV, we're there with the artists, them. And then wrap it up. And then tell them thing and thing and thing and thing.
Watch out. I'm take over the interview. BETV. What's up? Sita. 8 Black. Ruption. I'm interviewing right now. I'm running the TV station right now, guys. So what's up, guys? You know he's always fresh bars. Like, what's up, guys? Cash up. Cash up. Look out for it coming. I take a job just now. Ruption. We on the scene right now, Ruption.
Fresh boss. Get in piece of the cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. Western. You. Yeah. Walana. What am I scream? Fresh boss. Fresh boss. Fresh boss. How about that TV station your name? What name? BETV Jamaica. If a boy violate a dirt, the whole place get dark and we work. You see, pray, fully eat outside. If a boy violate, we just do that. A dirt.
Sir, this is BETV, and sir, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here interview to everybody what's up right now on the party. So right now you lose a job, sir. So I'm taking the job right now. This is Fresh Boss interviewing. What's up, sir? So you into George party things?
Outside, man. We're there.
Okay, outside. So what's up, sir? Oh, your party life?
Rolliness.
See it? What's up?
Outside.
What's up, sir?
Outside.
What's up, sir?
Oneness.
What's up, sir? What's up?
Another sir.
Some teleconference. He's doing some
You did not wait till your turn. You did not wait till your turn.
Sir.
You did not wait till your turn. What's up, sir?
Good.
Okay, what's up, ma?
Hi.
Bougie.
You got it?
Bougie. What's up, sir?
one life, you know?
One life you live. So you see it? I'm going to take everybody job right now. Sir, I'm out here exploring right now. And what's up? What's the time? What's the time right now? Midnight. What's the time?
After midnight.
Jeez. Poor Dan, what's up?
Fully oneness, man. No joke, man.
Sir, good night, ladies and gentlemen. I see this artist in our space invasion, like Poor Dan. So you believe in the aliens?
No, man, we just chop, man.
So you don't believe in the aliens in music?
Yeah. No.
You don't believe in the aliens and music?
No, man, we don't believe in a alien, man.
So what type of shirt you wearing, bro?
Just with the chop shirt, the chop word.
All right, Jamaican language. Yes, sir. So midnight, what's up?
You know, we're there, man. You hear that?
And we're out here right now, holding the vibes right now. And so, sir, you're going to perform for the crowd right now. Please and thanks and beg. Foremost.
Chopper, me like what you know about that? Yeah. Bench man a push and a pure box.
What pure box I got?
Give me bro job. Oneness, badness. You know that. If I don't meal that no matter. Big baller like Kaka. Them nah do not chop. Only thing them do let me show you a couple grub. Yeah,
everybody will have view this right now. You can see how me a spread.
No joke, man. Fully one nest, man. You see me? One. Kick back bonus, split fan and member when life did arch like ginger. Housebound down one pants and marina. Going for the food, coming no man a winner. But no person anytime I jump in at the beamer. My daughter no worry cause your father a leader. Anytime we go there, your father lead ya.
I'm here on an interview, sir. I'm here on the interview. Okay, you not have a big up all the TV station. BET. Sorry. BETV.
You don't know BETV.
Fresh Boss representing the BETV. Oneness, badness, 8 black. What can I? Video man. Video console. Video personal.
You don't know BETV to the world. You don't know. Fully oneness, I said that outside. You don't know. One BETV. Fully. You see, pray? Why pray, me, Jay? Outside.
So midnight. What's up right now?
I don't know. Fresh Boss, I'm a dog. You hear that? No joke. Spanish Town badness. Oneness. Yeah, that all
the juice, yes, sir. BETV. All right. Hot. One more again. Fresh Boss again. Represent for BETV. I'm here to say 8 black. Hot. One more again. Fresh Boss again. Represent for BETV. You know. Hot. Cash up. For all you viewers.
Fresh Boss.
Cash up, Western Union. You understand me? The new dance, yeah. No joke, man, people. A Fresh Boss, man. Joe, what is the fresh boss?
Sir. You know that one? Hold on. Give me the camera. Give me the voice. You see the one? My friend, I'm just promoter, fully one. Right now, I'm fully intoxicated. I'm fully dark. I'm fully ignorant. Watch it. Watch the clocks on my feet.
Original Europe, Jamaica. How is country that?
Me no know. 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 Jesus Christ. On the wicked. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. For the one is ladies. Hello. Hi. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. This is BETV review, and right now this is your boy Fresh Boss interviewing you right now. So. Sorry. G them a walk through, so we have to see with the something there. You know the part I got. You know. So lady, we enjoy the phone things tonight.
Twisted ego. Fresh boss. Ask her how she like twisted ego.
Sir. Me I come out. I'm a Jamaican now. Me I go into my American. Later, me not American, me a Jamaican. Me ask you some your hairstyle look good, and this is BETV. You know, you look good, white, look good, bright. My white dirty already. You. Yes, so shy.
Yes.
So what's up? Oh, you enjoy the party since night? Are you going to chat and laugh anniversary?
No.
Why?
I don't like lava.
You can't get me none of that, none of my business that.
You say why?
Yeah, but that's your business.
Yeah, that's why I'm.
Me I do interview over here.
Well, I'm not going.
So, you see, as I say, you look good still. You're brawling.